Welcome back to Is Learning YouTube channel. Thank you for subscribing. Please share with others so that many kids can benefit. Look at that sound. Which sound is that one? And that sound also, do you know it? If we have k and r, we'll make a new sound. Kr. So today we are going to learn the kr words. Let's read together. Crow, crow. Crib, crib. Craft, craft. Cry, cry. Crab, crab. Crazy, crazy. Crest, crest. Crisp, crisp. Crave, crave. Credit, credit. Cross, cross. Crop, crop. Creep, creep. Crowd, crowd. Crown, crown. Crunch, crunch. Crayon, crayon. Cramp, cramp. Cream, cream. Create, create. Crate, crate. Crush, crush. Crock, crock. Cricket, cricket. Creek, creek. Cramp, cramp. Crane, crane. Crook, crook. Crust, crust. Crow, crow. Crake, crake. Crime, crime. Cram, cram. Crawl, crawl. Crew, crew. Now I would like you to read the kr words on your own. You can do it. Remember the kr sound. Wow, words are very easy. You did it. Now I would like you to look for the meaning. You spell the words and use them in different sentences. This will make you to benefit more. Share with others. Thank you.